So today I'm going to be taking a look at the Hoover 1-Power cordless vacuum cleaner. This is great for anyone with pets or just generally with a lot of dust in their household. So these are all the components that come in the box. As you can see, I'm holding up the battery charger, and then this is the battery that comes with it. Make sure to charge it to full before use. It's a great long-lasting battery. This right here are the little bristles of the front brush, and these actually is to swirl to pick up dirt. Right here is where all the dirt and dust is stored when you're using the vacuum. And this is the handle that you can easily put into the vacuum. So just push till you hear a click, and now you're ready to go. On the top of the vacuum here, there's a couple different buttons. There's the power button and the mode button. Once you click the mode button, you can change between a couple different modes. On the back here is where you insert the battery. Here you can easily remove the filter as well as the dirt storage to empty it out. So before use, as I mentioned, you want to charge the battery to 100%. So that's what I did right here. As you can see, I plugged it in and put it onto the charger. Up top, the battery will light up and it will let you know when it's done charging. So now that the battery is done charging, we can turn it on, and as you can see, I have the mode selected to hard floor. So simply kick stop down the vacuum and you're ready to go. As you can see, the front bristles are picking up dirt and making a great cleanup. So final thoughts, the Hoover vacuum cleaner is a great quality vacuum, and I definitely recommend it to anyone regardless of if you have pets or not. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.